Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this push cart dolly that this brand sent to me for this video, which I'm going to show you in a few seconds in a better way. But there are a few things that I really like about this dolly. So we just moved to this new house, and I've been using it for the past few days, and I think it's really cool for a couple of things. Just to push it, you're going to see that in a little bit, but also for moving big kind of like rectangular shape, long stuff. It is really good for that, and I'm gonna show you that as well. This one, it is about like 24 by 36, and it supports about 1,800 pounds, and it has super strong silicone wheels, so it won't damage your wooden floor, it won't damage your steps, it won't damage your tile and things like that, which I think it is also really cool. And it also comes with locks, so you can actually lock the wheels. Let me see if I can actually lock them with my hand right here. I think I just locked one. I think I did, or just the other one. Okay, yeah, these two are locked, so it won't move any further than this. I'm gonna just unlock them, and now you can see that I can move freely just a little bit better. But again, you will have to do just a tiny bit of an assemble with the wheels and also the handles, which I'm gonna show you as well. One thing that I'm gonna tell you, it comes with a lot of foam, so you better grab a broom or you better grab a vacuum, because you're gonna have a lot of foam, because it comes protected in the actual box, but it's gonna be a ton of foam. Let me show you a few things. Oh, by the way, I do like that it also comes with an elastic strap, so you can actually secure your items with this one with the hooks. Let's jump in. Okay, so this is kind of like what I really like about this one. It comes with, as you can see over here. Oh, actually, I think I locked it again, so I'm gonna go to off, and I'm gonna go this way as well. I think this one is off. Yeah, perfect. So you can see that this one goes super nice and easy right here. When you put the handles, you will have to put screws over here, which I didn't, because I actually want to show you something right now. So check it out. I'm using this one right now, just with the metal surface, really nice with the wheels, big wheels. But check it out. I do this. Let's say that I unscrew the handle. I take the handle off, just like this. I take the handle off, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this one right here, which you can see that actually they still have foam, because I wasn't able to take out all the foam. Remember, I told you it comes with foam. And then I'm gonna put this one right here, which you will actually have to put the screws back again. And then I'm gonna put the other one right here. But the best thing is that, check this out, you can actually put it in here, you can put it in here, or you can put it in here. Let's say that you're transporting something that is really big, like let's say like a coffee table or something like that, or a TV stand, and it's actually really big, but also in this shape. So you will actually put it here and put the screws, and you're all set, which I think it is fantastic, because let's say that you're transporting glass, so you can actually put it in here and put the handle right here and use the elastic strap to actually secure your items. That's why I think that this 3-in-1 or 2-in-1 kind of like push dolly car, this is like a multi-form dolly car. I think it is fantastic for moving heavy items, but also moving to a new house, for example. So again, one more time, 1,800 pounds. You have the rails on the side, you have the big rails, you have the big handle, you have the push handle, you have silicone thick wheels for not damaging your furniture with locks, and you also have a big metal platform to just put all those heavy items and make your moving easier, or moving those heavy items easier as well. Totally recommend it.